Hello and welcome to this video covering the new 2N Project Designer. To use the Project Designer, just access it on our website. Choose the region where you operate. This is very important because different part numbers may apply in different regions. Select the type of project where you want to use 2N IP devices. If you don't want to create a complete project, you can go directly to Product Configuration. Select from our top products on the bottom of the main page. Let's choose the project Residential Apartment Building and start with adding an IP intercom to the main entrance of the building. To make your choice easier, we recommend a particular 2N device for you based on your selected project type, but of course you can add whichever product you like to your project. We'll show you how the configuration works on our flagship 2N IP Verso. The progress bar at the top of the page shows you the steps that we'll follow. You should begin by choosing your preferred main unit and modules. Let's opt for a black version with a camera. Add the modules you'll need. They're divided into 4 categories. Selected modules will show up immediately in the space on the left side of 2N Project Designer. You can simply drag and drop the modules to rearrange them. A list of all selected items in the previous step will appear below the picture of your intercom. Choose the way you're going to install the intercom, flush or surface. The correct number of frames and other necessary installation items will be added to your project automatically according to the layout of the selected type of installation. If you want a different number or type of frames, please go to the previous step and rearrange the modules. You can add a blind module to achieve the desired layout. Click Next, and then click Next again if you don't want to change anything. Here you can choose accessories for the intercom. We highly recommend adding a security relay to each intercom. Now you can add licenses enabling enhanced functionalities. If you're not sure which one to choose, select the required functionalities and Project Designer will recommend the correct license for your project. In most cases, Gold license is the best choice as it enables most of the enhanced functionalities. Add the licenses you'll need and finish the configuration. The tool will ask you to name the configured device. At this point, your intercom is configured. You can view what you've added to the list of items. You can edit the configuration, copy and modify, or you can simply increase the number of devices to meet your project's needs. Now you can move to adding other devices, like answering units, to let residents communicate with their visitors. Let's opt for the 2N Indoor Compact. Once entering its configuration, you can select the colour that fits best to your project. We'll select the white one. An installation box, which is a necessary installation accessory, will be added automatically. Add accessories. Let's add 10 pieces of 2N mobile video by clicking on the plus button. There are no licenses for this answering unit, so you can continue to the next step. The tool will again ask you to name the configured device. If you'd like to add any other accessories to your project, just go to the Accessories section on the dashboard of your project. Here you can add any accessory that you're missing into your project. Confirm your selection. And don't forget to add SIP telephones for the reception desk. Of course, you can also configure access units. You can get to their configuration by choosing Protection of Common Areas. We won't show it here in this video, as the configuration is similar to the 2N IP Verso. Our unique offering also includes services to simplify your work. Adding them to the bill of materials will remind you to ask your distributor or 2N sales representative about these services. So that's it. Now all you have to do is export an XLS file with all the items that you've added to your project. Click on Export XLS. Open the file and check the exported bill of materials. You can send this bill of materials to your 2N distributor. They'll check the availability of the product, and in case of any of them not being in stock, they'll suggest an appropriate replacement for you. Thanks for watching, and we wish you a pleasant experience with 2N products.